Hi, I'm going to show you how to scan this painting that is too small for this scanner bed. Turn it into a digital image like this so that you can make your own art prints like this one. So this painting is going to be broken up into two scans. I'm going to do the top and then the bottom. So first I'll just place the top section in the scanner bed. Make sure the top and bottom stay within the scanner bed and close. I went through my settings to open my scanner. Once I open it, it automatically runs a preview of this image that I would be scanning. Yours might not, so you might have to figure out how to run a preview. That usually helps. Again, your settings might look differently than mine, but the main areas or the main parts of the setting to pay attention to is one, the scanning area. Looks like mine is already highlighted. I can use a custom set if I want to, but in my case, I'm just gonna automatically highlight the entire scannable area. You wanna do a color scan, and then you want the resolution to be at least 300 dpi, dots per inch. I found, you might want to designate which folder you want to scan it to, name it, and then the format is another important thing. If you are going to produce prints from this image, I would recommend saving it as TIFF. That's better for larger size, high resolution images. If you're just making images for greeting cards or whatnot, then maybe a JPEG will be fine, but I just default to TIFF. Hit scanned, and let's see. So another tip I want to give you is, because the part of the paper is going to stick out, there might be some light pollution going in. So what I like to do is just gently press on the scanner bed while it's scanning so that it minimizes, again, I don't know how much difference it makes, but I like to do it, and it's just to help minimize the light pollution, especially if your paper is on the thick side. All right, now I'm gonna scan the bottom part of the dragon. I'm gonna speed through it since the instructions are pretty much the same. This part is where magic begins. All right, next, go ahead and open Photoshop. Go to File. This is kind of hidden in a place that's not very intuitive. File, Automate, Photo Merge. From here, you will browse, click browse to open the two TIFF files that you just scanned. Dragon 1, Dragon 2, click open. Looks good. I set the layout to auto. You don't need any of that unless you feel like your images were warped. You can play with these options. Make sure blend images together is checked and click OK. And just wait for it. It takes a couple of seconds for the merged image to generate. And here you go. So if you want to edit a changed orientation, you go to image rotation, 90 counterclockwise. Looks good. Everything's blended together seamlessly. Next step is I do have to edit the image so that the borders are cleaned up and some of the minor blemishes from the original painting is cleaned up. I'm gonna go through this relatively fast. This is for another video. I do have another video on my YouTube channel that just focuses on the image cleanup. So if you want to check that out there, I'm gonna speed up this part though for this video.